whether the entire constitution can be replaced by resorting to the procedure which is prescribed by Article 368. That's a fascinating question, isn't it? In Keshavananda Bharati case, it was held that the old constitution cannot be totally destroyed or so radically changed as to lose its identity. The basic feature cannot be amended. Then what are the modes to replace the existing constitution or amending the basic features? There are three modes to replace the existing constitution or to amend the basic features, and they are by way of revolution or by parliament converting itself into a constituent assembly or by referendum. Revolution is a very radical measure, a very sudden change. And another one is by amending Article 368, that is, a constituent assembly can be set up. Thus, parliament can convert itself into a constituent assembly. But there is a hindrance because in Minerva Mill's limited case, it was held that the limited nature of the amending power in Article 368 is itself one of the base features of the existing constitution. Hence, Parliament cannot enlarge its own powers by making itself a new constituent assembly. The third mode to amend the constitution is by way of referendum. Referendum means verdict of the people. As we all know, the preamble to the constitution begins with "We the people of India." In my opinion, a referendum is the most suitable mode to adopt a new constitution or to change basic structures.